Hi, hello. This video will be about aperture, which is how wide or narrow the shutter of a camera is, which lets in light, and how much light is let in determines what's in focus. The shutter of a camera works like the pupil of an eye, dilating or constricting to let more or less light in, and this is called f-stop. The smaller the number, the more light being let in, and the higher the number, the less light being let in. This is what a shutter looks like. And as I mentioned before, how much light being let in determines what is in focus, and that is called depth of field. And the shortest distance that a camera can focus from is called the focus distance. This is a visual example of how the different f-stops look. None of these are exact to scale, but the one on the top left corner is closest to an f-stop of 1, and the one in the bottom right corner is close to an f-stop of 20 plus. Smaller number means more light, higher number is less light. And this is what that looks like visually. On the top row, we have 3 examples of a lower f-stop. On the left being a very low f-stop, and on the right being a low f-stop but a bit higher, somewhere maybe in the 5 to 7 range. And in the bottom left corner of the graphic, we have examples of higher f-stops. There's even a way to have the background or the middle ground in focus instead of the foreground. And in these following few examples, you'll be able to see that. In the first 2 pictures, the foreground is in focus at 35 and 50 millimeters. In this photo, only the middle ground is in focus at 35 millimeters. In this photo, everything is in focus at 50 millimeters. And in this photo, only the background is in focus at 35 millimeters. Now that we have covered aperture, and it is the wielder of light, the next video will be about lighting. So thank you for watching. I'm glad you stuck around, and I hope your eyebrows look good every day. Yes.